tell me. Yeah. Break her down. Break her down, break her down. Yeah, break her down. Yeah, my people already there. Yeah. I'm not going to need to ask whether it's our day here. It is night already. This is our time. I'll call the ask. You'll be like, say, I go the ask Vinny get whether they do hook up for you, Rupifasia. Anywhere you see darkness, it's a 4 theory must gather. They use them. It's all yeah. I'll lie for you the day. Yeah. Your it's all right. Yeah. I see him. Fine. Bleach. That's we. That's our identity. You represent us well. It's our bleach will be 5 and 6. You don't know you see me? Yes, sir. Now we are going to go see where Edo is shining. Now we they shine. Are they lie for you? Baba, I go ask for Christmas Day. You reach my village, everybody, you're yellow. You even shock me, even we go and they bleach. The problem when they get with our bleaching for a salad there, we feel bleach everywhere. We they leave our signature, which is the noko. Because the few one call they argue say you don't be our best as you all show there. Here with the knee, it must be like ball away. I like it. Some people, oh yeah. That's why I say Esan is actually the best tribe in the
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Well, good evening, When I go answer me, I get better work. Outside this one, yeah. This is 2026. If you are excited to see this brand new year, please, first of all, can we give God a round of applause? More clap for God. Yeah. 2026, the long-awaited year is finally here. And a lot of us are happy for different reasons. Yeah, some of us are happy that 2025, which was a very tough year, has finally ended. For some of us men, we are happy that 2026 will be having the Mundial, the World Cup. Yes, this is the World Cup year. Yeah, so everybody get different reasons when they make them happy this year. But whether you like it or yes, 2025 has come to an end, and this is a new year. And one thing that is surprising this year is that since morning, I've not been seeing the post of New Year, New Me. What happened this year? Nobody set New Year resolution. By this time last year, January, we were seeing people saying, this year, I will not call anybody that did not call me. If you don't text me, I will not text you. If you don't chat me, I will not chat you. If you not post me, I will not post you. I want to cut off people. Nobody cut off anybody in 2026. What happened? Knife loss. Everybody just entered the year quietly. Today's New Year's Day. Everybody, your bone, like say nothing they happen. It shows that Tinubu is working. Everybody is now humble. But it's going to be a great year. Yeah, because we had a festive season that for the first time, there was no Harmattan. The festive season came, if not for calendar, we will not say December reach. There was no Harmattan. Everybody just continue life. Oh, now some people, they think, say, Harmattan not really come. It not come, oh. The Harmattan be like some guest, period. They're not seeing. Yeah, so those of you that went do for December, I can't do 12/12. December 15, you do 12/12. You see 12 period. Compose that meme. Say you dodge pregnancy. Wait till you do December 31st. Just they look you, they laugh. By September, Yes. And those of you that throughout 2025, you were having sex without protection, and you have been saying that your pull-out game is strong. Hello, Liverpool fan. Don't go and check yourself. See, my pull-out game is very strong. You don't know whether you are dating a girl without a womb. So every once in a while, try to deposit something just to check. To be sure, as you deposit, make sure say you get money for Pampers. Yes, so because if you don't use kiss, you will buy kissing. Yeah, some of you not get the joke now, no problem, I'm not in a hurry. Some people if you not get the joke now, when they reach us tomorrow morning as they bath, they'll be like, shit, that guy funny.
Very good comedian. If you be boy, yeah, you dog broke, tell your friends may they help you. Which one be I want sell my plasma TV? After all, I know the two-step parlor.
Where them day?
The gallery. Which kind of excuse be that one? Which one be I want sell my GLK? I just realized say Corolla they portable. Where done Zazu? You know if you buy fuel, bro. Open up. You know say na get away not fine. Now they tell a friend say, Tracy, let me just tell you, marriage is not all about beauty, it's by character. So if you find enjoy your good character, federal government will arrest you. Get when not get money buy makeup, it will come snap because say team natural. Shut up there. No money for foundation. When the foundation is destroyed, what can the righteous do? More than the life this life come out now. Man, not go choke. Yeah. Now so if you some bini girls una too do how you be girl you get belle, you see go dey smoke shisha. Pikin don't come out for belle now. Instead of pikin to begin cry, he begin cough. To cocoa to cocoa.
It is smoking, it is taking there.
You be boy, you dey date girl for Saple Road. You see they complain say the relationship no smooth.
5 days a day Saple Road. I no go back, I no go front. 5 days.
But I understand that joke. Oh? Wow. Edo is shining. It depends on where you dey stay, bro.
Governor where they work for community. Oh, no, thank governor.
Now joke I do. May they not go demolish my house. I bet when I demolish and I dey rent. My landlord is a bitch. Because you dey increase house rent any year. So landlord, how you be landlord? You put 2.5 million naira for 2-bedroom flat. You still get mind. They tell your tenant say one of the rules for your house be say make they not dey smoke. Make they not high for that kind of house rent. That house rent not high for your eye. No, not right. They pay 2.5 million naira for 2-bedroom flat.
70 years old man.
No, that one never reach. It could make I be like 45. Bro, ladies and gentlemen, for proper introduction, my name is the orator. I'm a graduate from the prestigious University of Benin. I graduated 2018 with almost first class. You call clap for me. Clap for me. Yeah. Do we have Uniben graduates here? Greatest Uniben. Greatest Gogo. Greatest Gbagba. Useless school. You know, say now all Uniben, person go they probate. They'll see they call and scholar. Say that kind of scholar, or the kind of sharp probation. Uniben, when student, they advise the course advisor. So I cannot advise you on how to advise the student. Bro. The set of persons when I not like for school those days now course advisor. I beg those people, they really the advice. Please, I need your advice. Do they really advise? For the 4 years I spent for Uniben, only 2 things my course advisor they tell me. As I entered the office, he said that tell me leave my office or come next week. My course advisor will call, they tell me, say, can't you see I'm not in a good mood? Okay, wait. I call school, call study your mood. So I wake up on Monday morning, my course advisor mood, 8 to 10, sad. Bro. But for those of you that went to Uniben like me, Ekpoma, Auchi, Koben, Usain, we are all unemployed. Work there, no work. My friend went tell me, say, after school, he want become astronaut. 2 days ago, I see the guy, they said coconut. That's not my portion.
We still there.
The joke funny. Clap, oh. Guys, I tell you, I joined something. Yeah. Yeah, I joined something actually. I joined Movement for Good Governance. This Benin too strong, oh. You be boy, you say you don't like girls when get big tummy. And you want to go date girl for Ugbuyoko. Ugbuyoko girls and big belly and 5 and 6 with a touch of single mother. Why they laugh they do like this?
All the Google things what they do for Benin girls, I run for heaven.
DJ Killer, and they talk about unemployment the other time. One of my guy don't graduate, 10 years, no work. The guy don't photocopy result. The guy photocopy result to the extent when we say one day, now the photocopy machine vests. As the guy insert the document, now the machine reply, I'm sorry. This document has exceeded its photocopying limit. Please take it and go and learn work. Now the guy the video now. Me, you're like the DJ, you know your go. You know go school, Sunday school. Wagbeo, my leader. Vini guess. Una two speak, oh. And they call this show, yes, Nana, see one get the tell her friend, say, hey, if we go. They don't carry Osato boyfriend, they arrest her. Now I say, where they were arrested, I say, area command. You know, area command. Now, sir, I command you. Leave that body. Area command. Benin guess. If you be Benin girl, you want wish your friend happy birthday. You don't know what to write. Post the person picture, leave him. Which one be happy birthday, Osato? Your days are numbered. You bitch. That one good now. They tell one girl, make up pray, we won't sleep for night. Now the guy say, Father Lord, as we're about to sleep tonight, may you come and sleep with us. Now I say, I shower there your eye. Leave on. What fool, no? Yeah. That's my fans. My fans, they can pour. They're not the VIP, they're not there. God will do it for you, yeah? God will do it. Last 2 years, Casino Game of Joes regular. This year, regular. Wow, it's the consistency for me. Not your regular. Next year, me, you not go stay gate. Bro, that's all more than enjoy. Country not balance. This country now, even goats now, they eat goat meat. Everybody just got meat up. My guy went tell me, said he also is for mama. And yesterday, blocking mama for WhatsApp. I say, why? He say, mama want use Billy, kill her. Oh, mama, eh. Hungry now, the mama. Enjoy yourself, oh. This Benin too tough, oh. You know, say now only this Benin motor way that they tow go to overtake for road. You overtake. Then they tow, this Benin way, say person will not get work. Go to organize employment seminar. And you squat with a younger brother, hypocrite. But now so, it's tough, oh. So ladies and gentlemen,
please, Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year. I want to beg. Please, if there's a new update in the new year, you should let us know. I used to know that girls fix nails just for fashion. I just realized tonight while I was coming in, say girls, they fix nails now just to taste crashing ash. Bro! No joke, girls, they scratch. Tracy, I they see you, they see me. I saw you in the restroom, you were scratching. Sweetie is real. Papa, don't let anybody stress you. Just do your best, leave the rest. New year, new me. New year, new me. One of my guys, they shout, New year, new me. This morning, don't thief gas cylinder. And any bad character where anybody gets, wanna drop him. I don't understand as a boy, they own data for you. Maybe you take come online, you they use person Wi-Fi, they promise get data. And you don't get. Idiot. Why is they live life for? Do they live life? Do they live life with risk? I know that only this country. No, things happen for this year, 2025, where it just passed so. Now only this country, I see one girl will be 25 years old. They call billionaire. Gold digger.
Oga, it's a lie.
No be lie, na Regina Daniel. Na Regina Daniel. No be Regina Daniel vex me oh. Wetin vex me now when the man come dey talk say, the man star not too shine. He dey find star. I say, wow, star, billionaire. For me, I know there is no foolish billionaire. You know they, not fit dey foolish me make money. Wetin pay me? Now Ned Nwoko, where he come dey reply then. He say, for only this year, I've spent a more than 126 million. I dey vex for that man.
Hey, no gas sense again.
Now the man, I don't know. I don't know. One of they show the DJ where he play that thing. Bro, hold on. Wetin vex me? Why? As a big man, billionaire, you go to Bokan. If you don't know the meaning of Bokan, I said it beneath my way, they close to you. Why you go to Bokan? You know what I don't do for love? Me where escort my crush go beg yes. Bro, we do this for love. I go beg yes, not be invest me. As we they beg yes, the day parlor, they consider they want to go settle for inside room. They come pull cartoon for me. One of the year, the cartoon where they put for me, not be better one. Now baby shadow do. I can't say bless I don't they craze. But I see they believe say I'm in love. That one not pay me. What I call the year for inside the room now? I can say okay that they eat pepper soup. My girl and the S, as the girl come and say, hope you are not angry. I say I'm not angry. Oh. Waiting verse, my God discover say yes, my court is not here if you do. So I thought to Nana that relationship is 2 years, 2 months, 3 weeks, 25 seconds. I see they wait me they break up, they can enter the relationship. Hold on. Now, do you know there is a difference between a car and motor? Motor are like Passat, Peugeot, 1985 model, 1972. All those Peugeots, all those Passats, the car, the keys where they many. If you see toilet key, ass key, store key, they many. But for car, they open now. So you just press the button. Pew, pew. They don't stress. They don't enter. DJ, any good song, you low. Like this bros, when they look me here, is with a car. They always use one leg. This is how they drive. They don't have problem. As they drive, anybody they go to greet. Hello, how are you? How come? What are you driving? You want to kill yourself? Stop that. For order. DJ Loan, what did I show them now? Newspaper, fruit salad, Chihuahua dog. What did I go to show them? Now, for motor, for money, they are always angry. Now the motor be this so. The same thing where they enter where everybody come out now. As you wake up in the morning, best you have every time. Good morning, sir. I don't hear you. Must see your way. As he reach, he won't open though. The first, he never opened the car because of trust issue. He failed to check the tire. Now wow. I be pumped this tire yesterday. But now when me night tire wagon. Which kind of tire be this now? If I want to go, I go make sure say that for Kenyatta, you go get them for me for road. As they want open, no matter where person open now, enter. Now you want open the motor, see the way they open it. You want open now so. As he manage, open her. As he enter, he go first open the bonnet. He go here. Then one go check all your so. As he enter, he go check all your. He go check her. You call look and say, I be service last week. Oh, as they manage, put the oil, refill water, lock her, bah. Now he want start that same motor. He go see open her. As he enter, now he want to drive. Still want drive. Oh, he not say he motor not the start. Oh, you go here. The motor go first east. The next thing go here. Eros akpawa. Iyo sato. Abel. Wanna help me push her. They want push her go now. The idiot no. You gonna see? Oh yeah, put her for jam. Put her for. Now he don't rock come out. As they drive, they go. See the kind of song we go there where they play. Now they use 2 legs. DJ play. Lower. Lower. Now you don't hold up. What you gonna do? Oh, where? So you don't think you want to see me? Walk God punish you. I know it's shining. As the guy see where park. As he park, as he want come out, the same motor. As he come out, and he as he lock the door. Ladies and gentlemen, we show that. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say this before I leave. Please, if you are here, you are a lady. You came out with a guy, and you have a plan of giving him something tonight. Or you came here with a man. That man, don't tell you say everywhere good. If that same man want to know your age, if you want to go piss for restroom, follow the lady. By the sound of their piss, we shall know their age. If they get a piss, you can hear something like this. Very simple. You can hear something like this. That guy is 18 to 25. Now semi-good girl. Manage, Maria. She's a virgin. If you call the yes son, you go restroom. The guy call the piss. You call it something like this. This one be like table downstairs. You call it something like this. That guy now 25 to 35. Still manage, Maria. If you come follow the girl, go restroom. The girl want peace. As she enter here, the first thing for this cartilia, whether for the peace for here, that they always dey haste. Now wow for this cartilia. As they see you man, everywhere they open. What's you gonna do now? 2 men go call escort the peace. You call here. My brother, run for your life, oh. You are with the age of your grandma. Benin City, enjoy the rest of the show. God bless you.
Where them day?
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.